Welcome. In this updated guide, we will discuss how to fix Twitter notifications not working. Follow these top ways to troubleshoot and resolve notification issues on Twitter. 1. Check your online status. Ensure that you are connected to the internet to receive Twitter notifications. A stable internet connection is essential for timely notifications. 2. Verify Twitter service status. Check the service status of Twitter to see if there are any ongoing issues or outages that may be affecting the delivery of notifications. 3. Manage notifications within Twitter. Review your notification settings within the Twitter app to make sure they are configured correctly. Customize the types of notifications you want to receive. 4. Check device notification settings. Verify that your device's notification settings allow Twitter to send notifications. Ensure that Twitter is not blocked from sending notifications on your device. 5. Update the app from Google Store. Make sure to update the Twitter app from the Google Play Store to the latest version available. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can help resolve notification issues. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix Twitter notifications not working. Stay connected and informed with timely notifications from Twitter. Thank you for watching, and we hope these solutions help you enjoy a seamless notification experience on Twitter.